Japan's Tokyo Electric Power Company has started its fourth release of the treated radioactive water from the crippled Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant into the ocean.
네, 일본 도쿄전력이 가동 중단된 후쿠시마 제1원자력 발전소 오염수의 4차 해양 방류를 시작했습니다. Tell us more.
Well, the fourth release began yesterday, and this is they're planning to release 7,800 tons of treated radioactive water over the next 17 days. What they do is they release this water, they dilute it with seawater, and then they discharge it through this undersea tunnel,
Right.
which is about a kilometer offshore from the plant. And now, sorry, can I just one more point here?
Please, yeah.
Is that TEPCO has said radioactive levels in the ocean following the previous three discharges were all within safety standards.
Right. Within safety standards. 안전한 그런 범주 내에서 지금 계속해서 방류가 되고 있다라는 얘기가 되겠고요. To release or discharge, 이게 바로 방류하다라는 뜻입니다. TEPCO가 Tokyo Electric Power Company, 도쿄전력이 되겠고요. We're talking about treated water here.
In this case, we mean that the water has been purified. So some people have water purifiers in their house. Like I have one, a machine that
Yep.
cleans the water. You can think of it that way.
Yeah.
And so in this case, the water has been purified to remove most of the radioactive substances, the radioactive isotopes, which is a fun
Exactly.
word to say.
treated라는 게 여기서는 이제 처리가 됐다라는 뜻으로 treated radioactive water or just treated water for short. 그래서 처리수라는 뜻이 되겠죠. 지금 레이 선생님이 얘기한 you said you have a machine at home that
Right.
treats water.
Yeah, so water purifier.
purifier, 이건 정수기가 되겠습니다. 자, 그다음에 what about a crippled plant?
That would mean severely damaged in this case. If something is crippled,
Yeah.
severely damaged. So a lot of times we'll talk about economies.
Yeah.
After a depression or a war, the economy's been crippled. You can also, a person can also be crippled if it means they can't walk properly. They can't walk normally because of some injury or medical condition. But it's definitely one of those words you should be careful using when you're referring to a person.
네, 그렇죠. 사람한테 쓸 땐 좀 조심하셔야 되는데요. 이 crippled라는 게 여기서는 이제 가동이 중단된 nuclear power plant. 플란트는 공장이라는 뜻으로 많이 쓰는 단어입니다. 이게 식물이 아니고요. 그렇기 때문에 여기서 말하는 그 원자력 발전소를 말하고 있는 것이죠. 타격을 받은 그런 원자력 발전소의 그런 treated water, 영어로는 이렇게 표현을 합니다. 그 처리수가 이제 방류가 4차 방류가 시작이 됐다. 다시 한번 읽어보겠습니다. Japan's Tokyo Electric Power Company has started its fourth release of treated radioactive water from the crippled Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant into the ocean.